Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out Meta Business Suite. If you need to sign out of your Meta Business Suite account, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can log out without confusion. This can be especially helpful if you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or simply wrapping up your work for the day and want to keep your account secure. To begin, go to Meta Business Suite. Once the page loads, make sure you're on the main dashboard or home area of the platform. If you're already signed in, you should be able to see the usual navigation and account controls on the screen. Take a moment to let everything fully load so the menu options are visible and easy to access. Next, look to the top right area of the screen and click on your profile account. This is usually where your account icon or profile image appears, and it opens a menu with account-related options. If you don't immediately spot it, scan the upper right corner carefully, since that's where account settings and sign-out controls are typically located in Meta Business Suite. After clicking your profile account, a drop-down menu should appear. In that menu, look for the Logout option. Once you see it, click on Logout to sign out of Meta Business Suite. After selecting it, the platform should end your current session and return you to a login screen or a page where you can sign back in later if needed. If you're logging out for security reasons, it's a good idea to confirm that you've been fully signed out before leaving the page, especially on a public or shared device. You may also want to close the browser tab afterward for added privacy. And that's all it takes to log out of Meta Business Suite. As you can see, the process only involves opening the account menu from the top right corner and selecting the logout option. It's a simple step, but an important one for keeping your account secure and making sure no one else can access your business tools after you're done. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you sign out of Meta Business Suite quickly and easily.